Welcome to What is This? Where we get to learn new words on different subjects. And today we will talk about
construction vehicles.
That's right. We will talk about construction vehicles. Who love construction vehicles?
Me. I love that one.
That's right. You too. Is it your favorite? Okay, let's try to guess another construction vehicle. What is this?
What is
What is
this?
this?
That is my not. It's not my
Is
favorite.
that a cement truck?
Cement truck.
No, that's not. No, it's not. No,
That's not.
doesn't fit. Is that a digger?
Is that digger? It's not fitting.
No,
It
it's
cannot
not.
fit.
No, it's not.
It cannot fit.
It has a little bit, yes. So, what is this?
What is this?
Is that a-
Excavator.
Excavator.
That's the excavator. What are they doing?
They dig.
That's
And
right.
they have like gears inside. What is
Very strong arm they have
Yeah.
to dig. Yeah, and also they can move around very heavy objects.
Yeah.
And they driving on two trucks. You know, they have like a trucks, and then they driving. And you know also that the base, the top, the cabin
Yeah.
where the driver is sitting, it can turn around 180 or 360 degrees, so it can turn. That was cool. I told you today would be very cool stuff we will talk about. Let's try to guess next construction vehicle.
What is this?
Is this? What do you think?
I love
Road roller.
No, it's tiny.
No. It's not. Is that a cement truck?
No, it's
No. What is this? That is a backhoe. That's right. It's a
Backhoe.
backhoe. That's so cool. They are very kind of similar to excavators or diggers, but they have two arms, one in the front and one in the back. And the difference that excavator standing on two tracks, these long things, and backhoes, they're using the base from the tractors, so they have the wheels, they can drive around, and they have blades like the digger, they can push the ground or clean the construction site, and they also have this claw-like device in the back to put apart if it's a bigger pieces. Oh, let's try to guess one more construction vehicle.
I love this.
Yep, I know. I told you.
What is this?
That's something special.
Yes.
Let's try. Road roller.
Road roller.
No. What do you think it is? What can you think?
I think it's a
Excavator.
excavator.
No, that's not.
No,
That's
no, no,
not.
no,
There's
no.
something. That's something a little bit different. What is this?
Is that
I love this. What is this?
Crane truck.
Say it. What is this? Crane truck. That's the crane truck.
I love crane truck.
That's
They
right.
can only give me cars while they have like this. They can give-
What can they do?
When something have like a lock,
They can drive. They can lift up very heavy objects on the construction site. They use the balance. And you know, they very heavy, the trucks. That's why they can lift the heavy objects. And they're very useful on the construction sites, because without them it would be impossible to build something high. Because this arm they have on the crane truck, it goes out and it can get very long. Very long.
like that.
Like very long. And then thanks to that you can build higher buildings. This is the crane trucks. They have some limits. They have some limits, but there is a special cranes that are not on the truck. Then they can be very tall. That was it. Hey guys, if you like it, don't forget to subscribe down below and like.